Welcome to learn about Longwell's cutting-edge EC backward curved centrifugal fan, the 190 series. As a global professional provider of air power solutions, our centrifugal fans are renowned for their outstanding performance, ultra-low noise, and reliable durability. Operating at 4230 RPM, it delivers a maximum airflow of 851 cubic meters per hour and a static pressure of 798 pascals. Widely used in industrial manufacturing, medical equipment, HVAC systems, fresh air purification, and more. We're certified with ISO, BSCI, UL, and more, covering global standards for systems and products. Longwell offers a diverse range of product series, providing comprehensive fan solutions for various industries.